Investing with Opay will make you a very good profit. I'm sure you don't know about it, so stay tuned. Hi there, it's Leo here again. I create content on online business and how to make money online and offline. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please smash the subscription button of this channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. What the bell notification does is to always notify you when we post a new video just like this one you're watching. And to you, my returning subscriber, I appreciate you always coming back to my channel anytime you get notified of a new video. I don't take it for granted. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to quickly show us step by step how you can invest with this platform called Opay and make a very good profit for yourself. But before we go into this video, I want you guys to please use 3 seconds of your time to smash the like button of this video in appreciation. And if you are still here to subscribe to our channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Smash the subscription button of this channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notification and you always get notified anytime we post beautiful video just like this one you are watching. With that being said, guys, let's go straight into the video.
Alright guys, welcome. So I wouldn't want this video to take time, so I will just quickly go straight to the business of the day and show you how you're going to use this beautiful platform and invest your money, then make a very good profit for yourself. So the platform we are going to be using is Opay. All right, do remember I'm going to keep the link of this platform in the description of this video. So after watching this video, go to the description of this video, click the link, get registered. The registration does not take time, 3 to 4 minutes. You are done with the registration, then send in money to this platform, invest and start making good cash for yourself. All right, so I'm going to be leaving the link so you download the correct platform so you won't make mistake and download a fake one. All right, so I'm going to click on this app and log into my account and show you step by step how to invest using this platform and make good money for yourself. Okay, Opay has a lot of things to offer. All right, so I'm going to quickly show you some of the things you can do using Opay. You can do POS business. You can start a POS business with Opay. I'm going to make a video showing you or teaching you how to start a profitable POS business in Nigeria using Opay. All right, so still let me know in the comment section if you want me to make that video on how to start a profitable POS business in Nigeria using Opay. All right, so let me quickly show you some things you can do using Opay. So you have to click over here that says pay bills. All right, so you see some certain things Opay you can do with Opay. All right, so using Opay, you can buy airtime. All right, over here you can buy airtime, buy data. You can bet using Opay. All right, for those that love betting, you can pay TV subscription, cable subscription using Opay. Electricity bill, you can still pay using Opay. You can do a whole lot of things using Opay, but that's not the reason why I'm making this video. I'm making this video to show you how you can use Opay to invest money and make a very good profit for yourself. So we're going to be clicking over here that says savings in order to proceed with the investment. All right, so once you click on the savings, this is what you are going to see. All right, you're going to see different types of savings or different types of ways you can save money using Opay. You have fixed. All right, you can save some certain amount of money for like 7 to 1,000 days. All right, up to, and you are going to get up to 18% ROI, that's return on investment per annum. All right, you can still use a save boss. All right, you can save daily, weekly or monthly automatically, and you are going to be making 15% ROI, that's return on investment per annum. All right, you can still save using this target over here. All right, you can still save using this target over here. So this target you can save towards a particular goal. Maybe you want to pay your school fees, or maybe you want to pay a house rent, or maybe you want to buy a car, or maybe you are planning your wedding. Whatever thing you are planning on or you want to save towards, you can use this target savings and save money towards your a particular goal. And you can still use this one over here that says spend and save. I wouldn't want to tell you the story or what this spend and save did for me. That if I remember I'll just feel like I just picked money from the ground. But let me not go into the story. All right, let me just go straight to the business of the day. All right, so we're going to be using this one over here that says OWET. All right, enjoy daily return and withdraw at any time. All right, so as we are investing using this platform, all right, it's telling us that you can also withdraw your money anytime. Let's just say you invested your money today and tomorrow you feel like I want to withdraw this money and do something. You can withdraw it. All right, they can't restrict you from withdrawing your money. All right, so you can save today, withdraw tomorrow. You can still save today and still withdraw today. All right, so let's quickly click on the wallet and let me show you how you are going to be investing using this wallet. So let me click there. So once you click on the wallet, this is what you are going to be seeing. All right, so what we are going to be clicking on is this. You would want to click on this invest in order to invest your money. So let me quickly click on invest. So once you click on invest, this is what you are going to be seeing. Over here, you are going to see invest all. So if you are to click on this invest all, that means you are going to be investing the whole money you have in your Opay main balance. All right, so if you have like 20 million, 100 million, once you click on this invest all, it is going to, you are telling this platform to invest the whole money you have in your main balance. But if you wouldn't want to invest the whole money you have in your main balance, then you'll be clicking on this box to type in the certain amount you want this platform to save for you. All right, so I wouldn't want to save the whole money I have in my Opay main balance. I would want Opay to save a certain amount of money for me. So I'll be typing the amount I would want Opay to save for me. So let me invest 10 million naira, all right, using this platform. Now, one good thing about Opay is this: whichever amount you would want to invest, Opay is going to analyze it for you. Opay is going to analyze it in a way that Opay will be showing you how much this particular amount you want to invest will be giving you on a daily basis. It's going to show you how much it will be paying you monthly and how much you are going to be making yearly if you save up to a year. All right, so over here is how much Opay is going to be paying me every day, how much I'm going to be receiving every day. That's 1,361. That's how much I'm going to be receiving every day. Then if my money stays up to 1 month, I'm going to be getting 40,935 naira. That's roughly 41,000 naira. Then if I save this money or leave this money for like 1 year, I am going to be getting 510,000 naira. All right, that's how much I'm going to be making yearly. All right, so now Opay has analyzed how much you're going to be making daily, monthly, and yearly. All right, so the next thing you are going to be doing is you would like to click on the next over here so that Opay will save or invest this 10 million naira for you. So once you click on the next, Opay is going to invest this money and you are going to start making this 1,361 daily, 40,935 monthly, and 510,000 naira yearly. All right, so this is how you are going to be investing and be making cool cash for yourself. I don't know the bank you are using, all right, but the question I have for you is the amount you have in that bank, how much does it pay you daily, monthly, or yearly? If the bank you are using does not give you money does not pay you or give you interest on a daily basis, monthly or yearly, then I still don't know why you still have your money in that bank. Even if you wouldn't want to move all your money from that bank to this platform called Opay, at least you are going to send some certain amount of money over to this place and let your money work for you, all right, than leaving your money where it is and for your money to be receiving AC, I don't know. All right, so guys, I suggest or I recommend that if you don't want to move all your whole money from the bank you are using to this platform to invest and let your money work for you, at least send some certain amount of money over to this platform and be making money for yourself. All right, I don't know if you're aware of this, but since you've watched this video, you are going to be aware. You are now aware. All right, so jump into this and start utilizing it and start making money and let your money work for you and start making cool cash for yourself. Like I said earlier, I wouldn't want this video to take time, so guys, jump into it and start making money for yourself. Let's go, guys.
Thank you very much, guys, for staying to the end of this video. I appreciate it. If you're yet to like this video, go ahead, smash the like button of this video in appreciation, subscribe to our channel, share. Until next time, I see you again, comrades. Bye.